If you want to show the forward button on Edge, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a moment. This is a quick and simple setting change, but it can make browsing a lot easier if you want faster navigation while using Microsoft Edge. So if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main settings options. From there, click Settings. This will take you to the full Edge settings page, where you can customize how the browser looks and works. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps most of the layout and display options, including toolbar controls. After that, scroll until you see Toolbar. Toolbar, then click it. Inside the toolbar settings, you'll find different buttons and shortcuts that you can turn on or off depending on your preference. Now, look for the forward button setting. You should see a drop-down next to it. Click that drop-down and select Always Show. This tells Microsoft Edge to keep the forward button visible at all times instead of hiding it when it's not in use. Once you make that selection, the change should apply right away. You can now go back to your browser tabs and check the top toolbar. The forward button should now be visible, making it easier to move forward through pages in your browsing history whenever needed. If you don't see it immediately, just refresh the browser or open a few pages to confirm the setting has been applied, and that's it. You've successfully shown the forward button in Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day browsing. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.